Let's make beautiful wedding favor boxes together, decorated with satin ribbon and glue-on roses. You will need ready-made pillow boxes with pre-folded lines. To assemble each box, simply fold the pre-folded lines, pushing all the flaps inward. Choose your satin ribbon. Apply glue to one side of the box, creating a line at the center of the pillow box. Press the satin ribbon against the glue patch you have just created. Turn the box over and apply glue to the box to be able to secure the end of the satin ribbon. Trim the ribbon as needed. Apply more glue to the box to be able to secure the remaining ribbon. Choose a glue-on flower and attach this flower to the top of the box, at the center of the box. You could create a few different designs, or make the favor boxes look all the same. You can fill the boxes with chocolates or sugared almonds, and place them at the wedding tables. These favor boxes will look nice both at traditional and contemporary receptions.